Welcome to your Friendly Edu Hub, the go-to destination for all things education. And I am super excited to start this journey with you all. So if you are passionate about teaching, learning and everything in between, then you are at the right place. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and press that bell button to stay updated on all our educational upcoming adventures. To start things up, a bit about myself Aradhi, and I am pursuing MA at Central University of Haryana. I have been filled with moments, discoveries and challenges, and now I am so excited to share all those things with you all, and let's start this journey together. Here at your Friendly Edu Hub, our mission is not to make education just a necessity but also an enriching experience. So if you are a B.Ed student, an educator or someone who is just curious about knowing about education and exploring this world, then this channel is for you. So now the question is, what can you expect from this channel? Well, good question. So we will be covering some topic-specific subject material, semester-wise guides, competitive exams, academics and a whole lot more. I want this channel to be a space where you can find practical insights and like-minded. Make sure to hit that like button if you are excited about what's to come. And also in the comment section below, please introduce yourself and let me know about all those topics you are interested in so that we can discuss them. Alright, that's it for our first video. Thank you so much for joining me on this journey. Subscribe, stay tuned, and let's make your Friendly Edu Hub the go-to hub for all educational inspiration. Till then, happy learning.